JetStar, Lockheed Hudson, Lockheed Blue, Lockheed D-21, Lockheed Constellation, Lockheed Altair, Lockheed Air Express, Lockheed AC-130, Hanoi Taxi, Lockheed F-94 Starfire, Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk, Lockheed F-104 Starfighter, Lockheed EC-130, Lockheed EC-121 Morning Star, Lockheed C-130 Aurora, Lockheed C-5 Galaxy, Lockheed C-141 Starlifter, Lockheed C-130 Hercules, Lockheed YO-3, Lockheed AH-56 Cheyenne, Lockheed A-12.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.